Very bright good morning to all of you. I am your maths teacher. My name is Jyotsna. So from today I am going to teach you maths. Okay. So you have learnt about the 5-digit number. Yes, ma'am told you in your previous video you have learnt about the 5-digit number. So today's topic is 6-digit numbers. Okay. So before starting the 6-digit numbers, let's recap the 5-digit number. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? I hope you know all. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? So 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Yes, 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. What is the means of greatest? It means this one is the last 5-digit number. After this, you will get the 6-digit number. So, when we want to get the next number, what we have to do? We have to add 1. Everyone know about it? So, let's add 1 and let's see what will happen now. If we will add 1 here, so let me mention their places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Yes, so now I am going to add 1. Why we are adding 1? To get the next number. Next number will be the 6-digit number. So let's see what will happen here. 9 and 1 makes 10. So 1 will go for carry forward. 9 and 1 again 10. 1 will go carry forward. Then again 10. 1 will go carry forward. Again 10 and 1 will go carry forward. So I am dividing now their houses. See here, in each house we have single digit, but here we have 2 digit and we cannot keep the 2 digit in a single house. Yes, so now what we will do here? So we will shift this one to the next house. Yes, so I am shifting this one, I am erasing this one from here and I am shifting this one here and I am giving you one new place here, L. Okay, so now here L stands for leg. Here L stands for leg and it's a new house, new place you can see. Okay, so now here we have 6 digits. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the 6-digit number? 1 is followed by 5 0. 1 is here, 1 is here and followed by 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 lakh. Which number it is? 1 lakh, or you can say the smallest 6-digit number, because you will start the 6-digit number from this number 1 lakh. And how we will write 1 lakh? 1 is followed by 5 zeros. 1 is here and 5 zeros are here, or you can say that 10,000. 10 times 10,000 makes 1 lakh. So let's see here. This is 1 time 10,000, 2 times 10,000, 3 times 10,000, 4 times 10,000, 5 times 10,000, 6 times 10,000, 7 times 10,000, 8 times 10,000, 9 times 10,000 and the 10th time 10,000. So 10th time 10,000 makes 1 lakh. It's not lakhs. Okay, we will not use S here. We will not use S here. I will tell you where we have to use S and where we will not use S. Okay, so this is 10 time 10,000 make 1 lakh. L-A-K-H. What is the spelling of lakh? L-A-K-H. Lakh. And the short form of lakh is, we will denote this lakh is with L, capital letter L. Yes. So how we will write lakh? 1 is followed by 50 is 1 lakh, and how we will make 1 lakh? 10 times 10,000 makes 1 lakh. Okay. So now let's put these number on a abacus. So let's draw an abacus. So I am making a abacus here. So let's draw an abacus. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and the new place is lakh. I am mentioning the digit here, 1 lakh. So this is a stick for ones. This for tens, this for 100, this for 1000, this for 10,000, and this for lakh. So how we'll draw the abacus for 1 lakh? So we will put one bead in lakh place only. The others are rest are 0. So this is the abacus value for 1 lakh. Clear to everyone? So I told you we will not use lakhs. Okay, when we will use lakhs, if the number is not mentioned here before lakhs, like if I am speaking lakhs people, lakhs number of people, lakhs number of animals, yes, the particular number is not there, so that time we can use lakhs. But if the particular digit is there, if I am saying 2 lakh, so it is 2 lakh, not 2 lakhs, this will be wrong. So we will not put S here. Okay, if I am saying number of peoples, see lakhs number of peoples, lakhs number of animals, lakhs number of insects, so that time we can use lakhs. But in with the number, if the particular number, अगर कोई number particular है वहाँ पे, so we will not use S, we'll use only LAKH lakh. Clear now? So this is the abacus value for 1 lakh. So now let's see how to read and write the number. So now let's come here. So our next topic is how to read and write number. 6-digit number. How to read and write 6-digit number. How to read and write 6-digit numbers. Okay, now we know the 6-digit number, but how we can read the 6-digit number, how we can write the 6-digit number. So when mom told you about 5-digit number, so now you know the places. Everyone know the places and period. So let me write only one number here. So I am writing a number here, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3. So it's a 6 digits are there. So let me mention their places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and the 6th place is lakh. Okay. So I am telling you one nice way how to read this number. Okay, in 5-digit number we have 2 periods, only ones and thousands. Yes, but here I am introducing one new period also, lakh period. So I am writing here. This is ones period. If I am talking about periods, these are places. Yes, so here I am writing period. 1000 and 10,000 will come in 1000 period, and lakh will come in lakh period. Okay, clear? So here I am introducing one new period, lakh. So ones, tens, 100 will come in ones, 1000 and 10,000 10,000 will come in 1000 period and the lakh will come in lakh period. So it's a new period for you. So it means in 6-digit number we have 3 periods. Okay, in 6-digit number we have 3 periods. In 5-digit number we have only 2 periods, ones and thousand. But in 6-digit we have 3 periods. Which periods? Ones, thousands and lakh. Okay, so now I am going to tell a nice trick how to read the 6-digit number. So now look here, I am writing in one number here. Let's take this number only, 1 3 2 4 5 3. So again I am mentioning there how, so it will be easy to read for you. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so now listen it and watch it carefully. 1 digit, then we'll take 2 digit together, then 1 digit together, then 2 digit together. See, it's a pattern. First I am taking 1 digit, then I am taking 2 digits, then I am taking 1 digit, then I am taking 2 digits. So it's a pattern 1 2 1 2. Just put it in your mind, fix it in your mind. The pattern 1 2 1 2. So how we will read this number? So we will make a group of 1 number, then 2 number, then 1 number, then 2 number. And how we will read? We will read 1 lakh, we will read this single and these both number together. Then again this number will read single and these both number together. Okay, so what we have to do, whenever you have to read the 6-digit number, just make a group of 1 2 1 2 digit. Okay, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit. So now let's read with me. 1 lakh, I am writing the number name here. 1 lakh. Now we'll read these two numbers together. 32,000. Okay, 32,000. Now we'll read this number single. 400. And these two numbers together. 53. Clear? So how I have done this? I have divided this 6-digit number into group of 1 2 1 2. 1 number here, 2 numbers are here, 1 number is here and again 2 numbers are here. So we'll start reading from the left side here, from the left place. 1 lakh, we'll read the single number, then we'll read these 2 numbers together. 1 lakh 32,000, 1 lakh 32,453. Clear? So now let's take one more example, then it will be clear to you all. So next number is, I am writing the next number here. So again, if I am asking, tell me the which number it is, so how we will read this? Again make the group of 1 2 1 2. I am mentioning their house also. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and a lakh. Okay. So again I am making a group of 1 2 1 2. Okay. So now let's read this single number. 2 lakh. Now we will read these two numbers together. 15,000. Now we will read this number single. 300. And these two numbers together, 19. Clear? 1 2 1 2. So what is the trick to read this number? Just divide the number in 1 2 1 2. One number, then two numbers together, one number, then two numbers together. Clear? This is the way to read this number. When see here we have three periods here. So we need to put the commas according to the period. Yes, we have three periods here. So where we will put the commas here? See here. So lab, I am putting one comma here, then 1000 house, and this is the one's house. Okay. So according to period, we will put the commas here. Lakh, this is a lakh period, this is 1000 period, and this is one's period. So we will need to put two commas here. In 5 digit, we were putting only single comma here. If it is a 5 digit number, we were putting on a single comma because 1000 and one's period was there. But here we have one more period, lakh period. So here we will put two commas. One will put after lakh and one will put after 1000 play. Okay. So 2,15,319. Clear? Now I think it is clear to you all. So now let's come on to a new topic. Next topic. Place value and face value. What is the next topic? Place value and face value. What is the place value and what is the face value? So place value and face value. I am giving you a nice example of this. The face value. Face means a face never changes. Yes? We cannot change our face, but we can change our place. Yes? Now right now you are at home, but after some time maybe you will be in the school. So at home you are the son, but whenever you will come to the school you will be a student. So according to your place, your value is changing there. Okay. So now let's look here. First I am telling you face value. What is the face value? Face value means number itself, like we are, like my face. I cannot change my face. You cannot change your face. So whatever is the number, that is the face value. Okay. Face value means number itself. You cannot change a face like this. We cannot change the face value. If I am writing any number here, if I am taking a small number 23, the face value of 23 is 23 here only. The face value is 23 here only. Okay, the number itself. If I am talking, if they are asking, tell me the face value of 2, the face value of 2 is 2 only. Okay, so number itself. So what is the face value? Whatever is the number, that is the face value of that number. Okay, so let's take an example of 6-digit number. 4,33,926. So if I am talking about the face value of this number is number itself, 4,33,926. So the face value of this number is the similar number. Or if they are asking a single digit, if they are asking tell the face value of 9 here. So what is the face value of 9 here? 9 only. Okay, the number itself. So the face value is very simple. Whatever is the number, that is a face value. No need to do anything here. Okay, just write the similar number. If they are asking the face value of 3 here, so what is the face value of 3 here? The face value of 3 here will be the 3 only. Clear? If they are asking the face value of 6, the face value of 6 will be the 6 only. So that is called the face value. Face value means the number itself. Okay. So now let's come on the place value. What is the place value? I hope the face value is clear to you all. So now let's come on the face value. What is the place value? Now face value is clear to you all. Now come on the place value. What is the place value? See here. Place value change according to their places, or we can say houses. Okay, places and houses is the same term. It is a similar name. Places को हम houses भी बोल सकते हैं, one's house, ten's house, और हम place भी बोलते हैं, one's place, ten's place. Okay, both are the similar terms. So the place value, what is the place value? In which house is the number? In which place is the number? If I am talking about the 64, so ones, tens. So where is the 4? In one's house. Though the place value of 4 will be the 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 only. And what will be the place value of 6? 6, where is the 6? 6 is in tens house. So 6 tens. 6 tens. So what is the means of 6 tens? Means 60. Means 6 times tens means 60. Clear? Place value. Place value means place value depends on the number where, in which house is the number, कौन से house में number, कौन से place पे number है. Okay, it's depend on that. So let's take a big number. So if I am talking about the place value, let me mention their house, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Clear? So now we are talking about the place value. So what is the place value of 3 here? If I am asking what is the place value of 3 here, so what will be the place value of 3? First we have to see in which house is 3, in which place is the 3. So 3 is in 100 house. Where is the 3? In 100 house. So means 300. 300 means 300 only. Yes. So the place value of 3 is 300. Clear? If I am asking the place value of 5 here, tell me the place value of 5 here. So how will find out the place value of 5 here? So where is the 5? 5 is in 10,000 house. So how many will come here? 5 10,000 means 50,000. Clear? Clear to you all? So this is called the place value. In which house is the number? The place value is depend that in which house is number. Okay. So if I am asking about the place value of 426 number. Let's take a small number. Now tell me the place value of 2 here. So what is the place value? Ones, tens, 100. So what is the place value of 2 here? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. And what is the place value of 4 here? Is 400. 400 means 400. Clear? So these are called the place value. Now clear, face value and place value, two things are there. Face value means number itself. If I am talking about the face value of this number, tell me the face value of this number. So the face value will remain the same, number itself, 4 only. And what is about the place value? Place value means 400. Clear? Now face value and place value. Yes, the face value means number itself and the place value depends in which house is the number or in which place is the number. Okay. So the next topic is comparing of numbers. How to compare the numbers. Okay. Comparison of numbers. how to compare the numbers. To compare the numbers, we use few symbols like less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay. First, I will tell you how to read these symbols. We'll read these symbols left to right. How do you know that it's a greater than, it's a less than? Okay, we always read the symbol from left to right side. Left to right, and few students still are they are confusing which is a left side, which is a right side. So a nice read. We always read Hindi and English, both the languages. We read and write from left to right. If I am writing a sentence here, I am a girl. So this is left side. We always start reading and writing in English and Hindi, in both languages, from left to right. This is a left side, this is a right side. I am starting writing from left side. I am reading also from left side. You will not read from here, girl, am I. Yes, you will not read from here. You will read from left to right. So this is a left side, this is a right side. Okay, so the symbols also will read from left to right. Which symbol it is? So let's first read this symbol. This is a left side and this is a right side. Okay, the left side, the symbol mouth is closing and here it is opening. It means smaller than and greater than. Okay, so this is left to right. So this is a smaller than symbol. Which symbol it is? Smaller than, because we are reading from left to right. और left side पे mouth close है, small mouth है, close हो रहा है. So this is a lesser than symbol. Which symbol? Less than symbol. Less than. Now come on the second symbol. Again read left to right. Yes, and left side the mouth is opening, the mouth is big, so that is a greater than. Which symbol it is? Greater than. And this is equal. Both are equal. No mouth is closing. These are parallel lines. So these are equal to sign. Clear? So no one will read this symbol as a less than. This is a greater than. Always read the symbol from left to right. This is a left side. The left side mouth is closing. It means it's a less than. If the mouth is opening left side, it is greater than. And these are two parallel lines. It's a equal to sign. Okay. So now let's see how we will compare the number. Now know three symbols we will use to compare the number. Less than, greater than and equal to. So to compare the number, we have few rules here. First, we need to check digits. The number who has more digits, it's a bigger number. So first rule is we need to check digits. So number who has more digit, it's a greater number, and the number who has less number of digit, that is a smaller number. Okay, that is the first rule to compare the number. If the digits are same, let's take an example. And the other is see here, if I am comparing the digit, 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there, 6 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. Yes, so which number has more number of digits? This number. This one. So that is a bigger number. Clear? That is a bigger number. So first we need to check the digits. The number who has more number of digits, that is a bigger number. Okay. So how we will put this sign? Which sign we will put here? Greater than. See, behind this a nice story is there. The crocodile. Everyone knows about the crocodile. Yes, it has a huge mouth and the crocodile always loves to eat bigger number. Yes, he has a large stomach, so that's why he always loves to eat bigger number. So crocodile will always open his mouth towards the bigger number. जिस side भी bigger number होगा, crocodile का mouth उसी side open होगा. So this is the bigger number. The crocodile will eat this number only because it's a bigger number, and the crocodile loves to eat bigger number. Okay. So wherever the crocodile will get the bigger number, it will open his mouth towards the greater number always. So first we need to check digits. The number who has more number of digits, that is a bigger number. But sometimes what happen if we have same number of digits? Okay, let's take the next example. The same example I am taking here. 3,26,294, and here also I am taking 4,26,344. This is it. So if the digits are same, now let's count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. If the digits are same, then what we will do now next? If the digits are same, then we will check the leftmost number. Leftmost, what is the leftmost here? This number. This is the left side and this is the right side. So this is the leftmost number. Now we will compare the leftmost number. The number which is bigger, that is a bigger number. The number which is smaller, that is a smaller number. So here if I am checking 4 lakh and 3 lakh. Here we have 3, here we have 4. Leftmost. Okay. So which is the greater number here? This one. 4,27,344. So the crocodile will eat this number. He will open the mouth towards this number. And how we will read this statement? We'll read from left to right always. So you will not say 4,27,344 is greater than this. We will not read from this side. Always read from the left side. So how we will speak? 3,26,294 is lesser than 4,27,344. Clear? This is the way how to read. If this number is also same, what will happen if here also we have 3? Yes. So what we will do now, we'll check the next digit. Here we have 2 and here also we have 2. If this digit is also same, then we'll move for the next digit. Here, now let's move on the next. Here we have 6 and here we have 7. Yes. So which has more digit here? Which number is greater here? 7 greater than this. Clear? And in this way, if this one will also same, then move for the next one. In this way we can compare the numbers. So what is the rule to compare the number? First we need to check digits. If the digits are same, then we have to move for the leftmost number. Leftmost means the last number here. This number, if these numbers are same, then leave these number and move for the next number. If the next number is also same, then move for the next number. Clear? In this way we can compare the number. And what is the means of equal? If the both numbers are same, if the digits are also same, if the numbers are also same, that is an equal number. Let's take an example of an equal number. I am writing my number here, 4,50,293, and here also 4,50,293. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Here also 6 digits. Yes. Now the digits are same, then compare the leftmost. 4, 4. Next number is also 5, 5, 0, 0, 2, 2, 9, 9, 3, 3. Means the both numbers are equal. So we can say the 4,50,293 is equal to 4,50,293. Clear? How to compare the number, how to read the number? Clear? And the crocodile always loves to, just put it in your mind, the crocodile always loves to eat bigger number only. it will open his mouth towards the greater number only. Wherever it will get the greater number, it will open his mouth towards this. जहाँ पे उसको बड़ा नंबर मिलेगा वो अपना माउथ उसी साइड ओपन करेगा. और हम कहाँ से रीड करते हैं? लेफ्ट टू राइट. पहले हम इसको रीड करेंगे, फिर सिंबल रीड करेंगे, दैट इज अ ग्रेटर देन, लाइक 3,26,294 is greater than 26,344. Okay, this is the right way. You will not say that 26,344 is less than this number. This is the wrong way. Always read from left to right. So this is all about today. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. You will enjoy this video, and I will take your doubt session tomorrow. Thank you very much.